Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the ceramic tempered glass closely. Look for chips, micro cracks, or any delamination that will compromise installation. Once done, clean both the glass and the target surface with alcohol wipes, then finish with a microfiber cloth to remove residue. This ensures adhesion. Make sure to set up an alignment frame or guide and position adhesive tape tabs for handling. This reduces direct contact and keeps fingerprints off the bonding area during the next steps. You align the ceramic tempered glass precisely by dry fitting it first, checking edge clearance and symmetry. Then apply the recommended adhesive or double-sided tape in even beads or strips. Less is more. Too much adhesive forces squeeze out, too little causes lift. Once adhesive is ready, use the alignment tabs to lower the glass slowly, starting at one edge and rolling across to expel air. Keep steady, even pressure across the surface to promote full contact and consistent adhesion. You finish by allowing the adhesive to cure undisturbed for the manufacturer's recommended time. Vibration or early handling weakens the bond. Once cured, remove alignment tabs, clean edges, and wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth to remove smudges. Inspect the bond for trapped bubbles or partial lifts. If small bubbles remain, gently squeegee toward the nearest edge to expel them. If a significant lift occurs, carefully remove the glass, clean both surfaces, and reapply adhesive or replace the glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.